Hmm. So I woke up few minutes back. The time is somewhere around 7:15. I guess the new energy is waking me up, right? New energy. It's not with inside me, the energy around me. Ah, so I'll. This is a quite important thing you gotta know. So there are four kind of prostitutions. One is the street hookers, one is the brothel, third one is the call girls, and fourth one is the online prostitution. So street hookers, you got to fuck them on the streets, which is connected to the who Chembur West. Brothel, there is a whorehouse. You got to go in and you got to pay, and you what do you call it? The prostitution is held that way. That it's a proper brothel houses blocks, and the third one is call girls. So call girls are like they visit your house, huh? Probably, or they call them into your house. So it's a high profile prostitution. Hmm? And the last one is online prostitution, which is more connected to this extortion. Online prostitution is what do you call it? They call you or they'll text you for that online thing. They'll record you unknowingly. They'll show their nudes and they'll ask you for money and they'll do this. But if they record you, it's a sextortion racket. Huh? So why I have to give these details? And what do you call it? Online people pay them and they get nude online. So that's a online prostitution. Hmm? So why I have to give these details? I'll tell you why I have to give these details. Online prostitution. Why all this stuff? Even call girls and brothels. Street hookers is exposed. Chembur West, those women with the phone are the street hookers. Huh? So this racket is completely run by pimps and those prostitutes. And how it's connected to this scam, I'll tell you. So when I knew, when went from here, from GID to 24 May 2022, I went to Chembur because of my complaints were not taking seriously. And over there, all the prostitutes, the prostitution racket, started yelling and screaming, "What did you put? What did you put?" So that was a prostitution racket which was after me for message planting, which was done from Xperia Mall, and while I was sleeping in Chembur. So those were the prostitutes. So getting into that prostitution was very important. So there are transgenders and women prostitution held in high profile areas by the Chembur West people. So the Chembur West, the one who walked with the phone of the sex video. I don't want to point anyone. Huh? Rickshawala and his wife runs this prostitution. So those who walked with the phone huh, are the prostitutes from Chembur West, huh, who are the street hookers. Same as some of them must be in brothel, which I don't know. I don't want to go to brothel because it will be too hard to establish that it's not their place. It's their getting this, but it may be a I'll trap myself brothel thing. And third is the call girls. So they also need call girls which runs in high profile areas. Same as those street hookers has those bank transactions, Chembur West woman who walked with the phone. Same those high profile call girls will also have that bank transaction, that will be in that bank transaction with a big number of for their prostitution. And the fourth is the online prostitution. I'll tell you how this is the most money making prostitution nowadays. I'll tell you. The when I found the reports, I was put live. There was a driver in J7, so they still this phone records me live. Hmm? So unknowingly, without my what do you call it, without my knowledge. So they record you unknowingly from laptop, and I got that person who does that, and I will also show you the way how to reach that. And I got that person who does that, but he's unknown to the people. He is not exposed to the people yet. Huh? Corrupt officers are saving him very badly, him or her very badly. So what they put online, they record unknowingly, and for defamation they put you somewhere. Huh? They frame you. But I directly went to the police station. Give me the fucking reports. Give me the fucking reports. Police were not giving me the reports. Till today, police are not giving the reports. So they what do you call it? Film you while jerking off from front cameras, laptop cameras, that webcam thing. So they record you unknowingly, and they frame you. They make a use of it. They defame you. I directly went to the police station, give me the fucking reports. They said you won't get. No, they are not still today not giving. And the one who puts live, his or her details have come. Remote access was done. There was a group who was doing this. So this is basically a group. And this is the online prostitution. And that online prostitution, what they does is, they also got access to your work. They know when to change the drive. They know which work is important. So in my thing, they wanted to erase that creation date files very badly. But the drives are changed. I got the evidences. So they wanted to erase those creation date files which will have file forensics, and what they do is publish online the time I started typing. So it shows to the world as if that those are the real authors, which are not. Those are the script version. Get their background and check what films they have made. So online, what they do is, this is the racket. They are stealing, they are defaming you, and this is the online prostitution racket. They are the online prostitution racketeers. This group is, and but they deleted my stamped papers file as well, creation date as well. They deleted those files, those stamped papers. So it got fucked. It got a real hit, and the magazine published article. They deleted that. They what do you call it? Press release content. They deleted that creation date. So it got a big hit, and the drives are changed. And in the beginning, the drives holds my shooting footages. So the prostitution racket, online prostitution racket, is connected to the street hookers, brothel I can't tell, call girls I could tell if I see the fake bank account transaction. There will be call girls in there too. So that online fellow defames you publicly and claims your work, deletes your creation date, switch your drives, and he gets the copyright. But my format is, in my file, first thing I have to write is the author's name. So the one who did that LAN server I have is, I'll drop in the comment as well. So one who did that, the copyright fellow. Look, the one who bought the files is triggering misophonia. So the one who did that, hmm, the online thing, hmm, his address is also caught. His address is also caught, but corrupts are saving them because he is paying a big number, because he is selling the files and he is making a bug out of it. And to sell that files, he found a new thing which is called race riots. And how it started, the race thing. They first waved the flag of JB, then it started. Just to hide their online prostitution, street hooker prostitution. Look, street hooker was not their thing. I didn't have to catch them, but I have to expose those message planters, because those were the prostitutes. I knew it from 2014. The one who were accusing me of message planting, those were the prostitutes. I knew it from 2014. So I have to go into their prostitution racket, huh? And I had to expose them. They exposed themselves. I didn't. I knew this was, I have to only push the button. So the online fellow defames you publicly, online prostitution racket, steals your data, and if they give the file, let the file go viral of the creation date, the file forensic will show my name. So they tried identity theft, smashed my face, and they, what do you call it? They were doing the identity theft. And to reach that fucker is, make those creation date files viral as much as you can. Because the entire country is hunting for that sextortion racket. Entire country want to fuck them. Entire country want to fuck them. Make those files viral. I am giving copyright claim to everyone from this country. Copyrights. So you have to understand this business, how it works. Street hookers have got access to the devices and now they are running online prostitution as well. And call girls. And for call girls prostitution, if you want, on 11th of February, there might be a new connection of those West scammers who have come after me. That's the online prostitution. He might be it's a call girl prostitution, I guess. It might be the Shalazer who came after Jack Sparrow. So that might be the thing. Might be a call girl racket, or might be only the bank transaction would tell who that fucker was. Online prostitution, call girl prostitution, or the street one. But these are the new connections. Because they have to travel after me from here for the phones, clone phone. The clone phone has to follow me everywhere. Getting this one. So, to catch these bastards, you have to do that file viral in the entire country. Every region politicians, every state politicians, spread it, because that's how you are getting the root of it, and the root of it is a production a money making production, which, what do you call it, they on online in Google you will find their numbers, billions, trillions, but no one knows how they made that money, and this is how the racket works. Okay. So you gotta catch those bastards. This is the way you have to catch. If the file gets in every, I'm giving the copyright, and why I have to do this? They did the same. They did the file viral. They kept the creation date files to them. They kept their publishing, and they defamed me online thing, and they what do you call it? All that stuff of theft and all, which is the file forensic will pop up my name. English one. And magazine files, news files, shooted synopsis files, shooted documentaries they have in those drives, stolen drives. So that's why they tried the identity theft and they tried smashing my face. So get this prostitution thing, how to catch them? Huh? Because entire country goes after them. Hmm? I give this freedom of working in this territory, freedom of working but not selling the files. Freedom of working. I am not against their career. It doesn't mean they have to smash everyone's career over here. Okay, like mine is smashed by those Chamber West people. Huh? But those extortion people will always be there, out there. And those people might come for these people. So I want those files to reach every state politicians with this matter, so everyone in time could catch that production people, those artists who are working, who are legit in front of the everyone, which they are not. They run all these 4 types of prostitution. English one. And they were the one who tried creating the race thing.